Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you some eco-friendly Indian brands whose products I have used, loved and I'm still using. So eco-friendly brands are brands that make products that do not harm the environment, whether it's in their production, use or disposal phase. Like in other words, these products help to preserve the environment by significantly reducing the amount of pollution they could produce. And eco-friendly could mean a lot of different things, like a company could use packaging that is made from recycled materials. Also, a short disclaimer, I'm just talking about 5 brands in this video, but there are a lot of other brands that I have used and I wish to even try out. So if you guys find this video helpful and if you want me to do a part 2 of this video, I would love to do that. So I have a lot to talk and show you, so let's get started with the video. Is YBP Cosmetics. It's a brand that makes no-nonsense products that will not damage your skin even in the short or long run. And their products are made from 100% natural and pure ingredients which are like directly sourced from farms. So I literally have almost everything from the brand except for 1 or 2 products, and it would be a very long video if I showed everything. I'm just going to show you my top picks from this brand. So the first product is my holy grail skincare product of all time that I cannot do without, and it is the YBP Plant Remedy Skin Elixir. So you can see I have 2 bottles of these. One is totally empty, the other one is about to finish. The Plant Remedy Skin Elixir is made of 400% pure ingredients, namely argan oil, blue tansy oil, geranium oil and rosemary extracts. So that is what the oil looks like. That is the texture of the oil and it smells so divine. It's so calming and soothing, and I have seen so many amazing benefits after I started using this oil regularly. Like literally, you guys ask me so many times that how did I reduce my dark circles. This is the reason. It's not specifically an oil meant for reducing dark circles, but I have seen the difference after using it. Like no other product has ever done this to me before. And also I've seen reduced pigmentation and the overall skin tone has improved. And the next product I absolutely loved is the Plant Remedy Calendula Healing Salve. So this is the product packaging and it comes with this wooden spatula to scoop out the product. The outer packaging comes in 100% raw khadi paper. So this is what the product looks like. It has a very interesting texture to it. Now due to hot weather, sometimes this might melt. So all you can do is just refrigerate it for some time if you want to restore the texture. So I literally take this much on my palms and I rub it between my palms and apply it on my clean damp skin. For that you can use your facial mist like your rose water or even a toner, and then I gently massage it in upward motion. And I use it as a very hydrating moisturizer, and it is so good, especially if you have very dehydrated skin. And I love using it during the winter time because I do have combination skin, but during winters it does get quite dry, and this keeps it so soft and moisturized all day. And even if I have any irritation on the skin or any cuts or rashes, I always reach out for the healing salve. And this can also be used on stretch marks, and it is also safe for newborn babies. Next, I have the Plant Remedy Skin Salve, which again, like their Skin Elixir, is their most popular and sought after product. The Skin Salve is a waterless, rich and concentrated moisturizing balm that sinks deeply into the skin. So the texture is just like the Calendula Healing Salve. So I use it like twice a week when I want to just restore the hydration into my skin, especially when I have not been regular with my skincare. Those were my top picks from YBP. I do have a lot of other favorites from them as well, but that would need a full detailed review on the brand. So if you want me to do that, please let me know in the comment section. Coming to the next brand, which if you are an OG subscriber to my channel, then you will know my love for the brand, and it is Forest Essentials. I literally have boxes and boxes and empty bottles. Just have a lot of product from Forest Essentials. And Forest Essentials is a brand that literally has this philosophy that if you cannot eat it, then do not use it on your skin. The brand has significantly reduced the use of plastic, and if you notice, they've also changed their packaging and they now use recyclable PET and glass in their new packaging. So my most favorite Forest Essential products are their Uptans, and my most favorite one is the Saundarya Face Uptan. I don't have it with me right now. This is the Roop Nikhar Gulab, the rose one. The Saundarya one is my favorite. I used it up completely. So the Saundarya Uptan is the one that I religiously used before my wedding to keep my skin looking glowing, hydrating, soft, everything. Like I would take a little bit of the Uptan, mix a little bit of water, make it a paste and clean my skin every day just using that. I wouldn't use any other face wash. And there are multiple different ways in which I like using the Uptan as a face pack by mixing it with different ingredients. If you are interested to see that, let me know in the comment section. The next one is their facial tonic mist in pure rose water. If you again have been an OG subscriber, you know my love for this product. It's very cooling on the face and naturally moisturizing, and I would use this really as a toner every time I would wash my face. I would also use it to like just rehydrate my skin. Whenever I would feel like very hot or tired, I would just spray it a little on my face and it would instantly feel so refreshing. I quickly want to mention another favorite from Forest Essentials. So it is the Ayurvedic head massage oil in Bhringraj, and this is in the old packaging. Like you can see how much I've already used up of this oil. It really helps to reduce hair fall and it makes your hair more healthier and stronger. So this is again a wonderful product from Forest Essentials. So the next brand I will be talking about is the brand Karmesi. Now Karmesi is a brand of period and intimate care products for women which are made by using purest natural ingredients. So the Karmesi products include the plant-based and eco-friendly sanitary pads. So I've heard a lot about the brand and I really wanted to give this a try, and trust me you guys, it's a blessing, especially for women who get period rashes. So these pads are tested and certified as 100% rash-free pads by gynecologists, and this was also one of the plus factors that I really wanted to use these pads. So it has a plant-based top sheet made of cotton fiber, so it's very soft. So it's really very soft and smooth. So let me show you the back sheet. So it has a very breathable back sheet, so it doesn't give you any rashes at all. Like you know, like the other pads in the market have like this plasticky top layer. This is just very soft like a tissue, and I literally don't feel like I'm wearing a pad. So they have different sizes for different floors. I chose the XL one because मेरा थोड़ा heavy flow होता है. And really how thoughtful it is of the brand to actually pack each pad in a disposable biodegradable bag. Like that is something you will not come across with any other brand in the market. And then I also have the Karmesi Panty Liners, which is specifically designed for sensitive skin. So panty liners are very beneficial for women who experience vaginal discharge and also to keep your underwear dry and stain free. So this is how it comes. As I mentioned, these are designed specifically for sensitive skin and are plant based, so they're naturally very soft and are rash free. Like it's super soft. So it also comes in two different packs, like a pack of 20 or 60. The one that I have here is a pack of 20. And look at how thin these panty liners are. It's super thin, so it's very comfortable to wear. And today actually is World Environment Day, and I feel that we should be a little mindful of the things we use and try and reduce plastic pollution. So yeah guys, this is about these amazing rash-free period products by Karmesi, and I personally think that we should really invest in our menstrual care products just like how we do for our beauty products. So all of the products that I have shown from Karmesi are currently available on their website, and they also have a sale going on currently. And I also have a coupon code for you guys which I've displayed right here. So if you use my coupon code to purchase any product from Karmesi, you'll get an additional 20% off over and above the sale price. So it's definitely a great deal to try out these products from Karmesi, and Karmesi products are also available on Amazon and Purple. I will add all the links in my description box so you can check that out. Coming to the next brand, which is the Earth Rhythm. This is another favorite brand for me when it comes to skincare. It is a 100% organic brand which is also EcoCert certified, which is one of the largest certification body in the world. It is also PETA approved and GMP certified. They use recyclable packaging and it's a very ethical brand. And the first one is their Hibiscus Shikakai and Arnica Deep Conditioning Hair Butter. Now this is in the old packaging. They have revamped the packaging and they have just changed the name a little bit, but the product still remains the same and it is one of their best selling products. So this is what the product looks like on the inside. I barely have anything left because this is how much I love it. So I love using it as a deep conditioning pack, and oh my goodness, the difference I have noticed in my hair texture. Like right now, this is just my air dried hair. I haven't done any styling to my hair and it is so manageable, so soft. I've seen reduced hair fall. Like I have a very oily scalp and this is my second day hair and it is still so good. Like otherwise, like in just one day of hair wash, my hair is just too oily to do anything with it. But this makes my scalp feel a lot more airy and light, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. And it leaves my hair feeling so soft, like I love touching it. So the next product is their lip mask, which looks like this. I'm not at all like a lip balm person. I don't really like applying something on my lips, like which is moisturizing. But this is so good, you guys. Like this is what it looks like and it is so deeply moisturizing and hydrating for your lips. And the next product that I truly love is their AHA Glow Fruit Acids Cleansing Balm. So this is the tub and this is what the product looks like. So I love using this to remove my makeup, and I take a little bit of the amount and apply it on my dry face and I rub it gently and then I wash it, and as I wash it I like to emulsify the product. And this removes all my makeup, all my waterproof makeup, and I kid you not, my skin felt so good after I used it. Like the first time I ever tried it, I was in shock because my skin felt super soft, like baby soft. Okay, like even the dead skin right here was gone, which no other cleansing balm has ever done this. And my skin looked more glowy and radiant post using this. Now coming to the last brand, which is Boss Lady Cosmetics. It is India's first ever vegan, cruelty-free and sustainable makeup brand whose products are packaged with only sustainable material that can be either recycled or upcycled. So I have their lipsticks, which they call as Love Pens, and it has Boss Lady written right here. So it's a very interesting packaging, and this is what the lipstick looks like. I have quite a lot of shades of this lipstick and it's a beautiful matte formula. Look at that, it's such a beautiful shade and it is a very long wearing matte formula that's super comfortable on the lips, not at all drying and doesn't like emphasize texture of the lips. That is Queen in Town, and the one right here is called Birthday Drama. They have a lot of beautiful shades, different shades. So if you want me to do like a swatch video on these, then do let me know. So yeah guys, these were all the amazing eco-friendly Indian brands. I thoroughly enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you all found this really helpful. Let me know if you have tried any of these brands below, then what is your experience with their products. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification on so that you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.